Hello fans, welcome back to the many video guys in my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys how can we increase screen time out in our Samsung phone device. Friends, you want to increase guys your screen time out in your Samsung phone device. So how can you increase it today friends? I will show you. I will tell you in this video guys. So friends, if your phone screen just minute and second, so how can you increase guys your phone screen time or setting guys today friends? I will show you. I will tell you in this video guys. Friends, you can see guys as guys your screen of just a minute. So friends, how can we increase it? Open your phone setting to increase guys this screen timeout and friends click on your phone display setting guys tap here. Again scroll friends, you can see your phone screen timeout setting guys tap here to increase. So guys you can increase from here. So guys we'll click on this 10 minute, then guys come back. So friends your screen timeout has increased guys, then guys your screen will not off just a minute and second. After 10 minutes your screen will off if you do not touch. After 5 minutes guys you will touch on your screen, then guys your time will start again. So like that guys, we can increase screen timeout. So that's it guys, bye.